Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole, and in today's video I wanted to show you an article I found on the Library of Congress. They have a bunch of news articles from the past. You could just go look through all American magazines and search keywords. Anything you want, it's probably going to come up in some article. And for this instance, I was typing in flat earth and one of these articles came up and it really grabbed my attention because of this image you could see. It says at the bottom and it's a little torn here, so I did Photoshop it and I can show you guys the better version up on the screen here. I'll also post that in the description if anyone wants to download it and save the image because it's a pretty cool image. You can find that there below. And yeah, I'm not going to read the whole article, but I'll post it here on the screen slowly so that you can read along with the video, because on the site it's pretty annoying to, zoom in and out. It gets lost in your spot and the mouse doesn't really act right. At least mine doesn't. I always hate this website, so it's best just to download the article or download the one I edited, which is a little easier to read. You can see here on the side they did try to scan it to get the text out, but a lot of it is not translated into the right text. It has most of it, but there's a lot of typos and things that are missing. That's kind of all for this week. I just wanted to share this one with everyone. I thought it was really interesting and I think people will like it. I also really like the artwork above the map. It's pretty interesting that they're showing about cameras underwater when we know who does that now. NASA with the International Space Station. Everything is filmed underwater, and I just thought it was interesting that these two were placed on the same news article page from the 1800s, 1897, New York Journal. It's definitely interesting how they didn't really attack this idea as much as they do now. I could see just by the article title, enthusiasts who will attempt to prove this very curious theory. And I think if this article was written today, it would say enthusiasts who will attempt to prove this very insane theory or this very ludicrous theory. They wouldn't be calling it a curious theory. It's interesting that in 1897, people weren't as turned off to this idea. And if you see here at the top of the article, it says, strange as it may seem, there are still a great many people on this terrestrial ball who deny that it is a ball of any sort. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I post new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Bye.